grade status and remarks using FLs. So the program uses the double data type for math grade, English, science, and Filipino. So using double instead of and allows the program to handle grade with decimal points, ensuring higher precision. So para mabalaan ng average siya, kada grade is example kanang input nimo sa math grade is 90, then science pod 90, English 90. So ang ibutang dito sa para makuha ang average is binagsa same process, divide 4. Then the parentheses are crucial here to ensure that the additions happen before the divisions following rules. Then second, correct. Okay, if it is between 90 and 99.9, it outputs with high honor. So mag-declare siya dito with high honor, o yung average is 90 to 99.9 with high honor yang umutang. Then the program then check the remaining range using else if blocks. So with high honor naman sa 95 to 89, average uses an operator to define the honor bracket and adds a message for a special award. So next is pass naman sa 75 to 85 average. So categorize students who pass but did not qualify for honors. So iya ginang kunon mabasa gina niya sa okay. 75 to 85 average is pass na siya, pasado na siya. Then failed average naman sa 75 pa ubos to. Then the final category for grades below to the passing mark. So before awarding honors, the program uses the logical OR operator to check if the average is mathematically impossible less than 0 or greater than 100. So if this condition is true, it prints invalid average and ignores the remaining logic. When the average is 90 or above, the program uses a instead if else to provide more detail. So 90% is excellent. If it is exactly 100 in outputs perfect score with highest honor. So mabot og 100 yung average is ano siya highest honor, ma-perfect yung score. So if I run my program, example, math grade is 90, tas English 90, Filipino, then the average is 90. That will be excellent and with high honor.